Hey everyone, I am back with another awesome video filled with trending kitchen gadgets. These amazing tools are budget friendly and you can grab them using the link in the description. Stick around till the end, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more amazing finds like this. Let's start the video. The Farberware Builder Board. This innovative cutting board doubles as a stylish serving platter, offering a convenient and all-in-one solution for meal prep and presentation. With its customizable compartments, you can easily arrange a variety of foods to suit your taste and create visually appealing displays. The board's clear locking lid not only keeps your food fresh and protected, but also makes it easy to transport your creations to picnics, parties, or potlucks. Its portable design and sleek appearance add a touch of elegance to any event. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a casual entertainer, the Farberware Builder Board is a must-have kitchen accessory. It's not only functional but also stylish, making it a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any special occasion. The Kazori Air Fryer. The Kazori Air Fryer is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. With its advanced turbo blaze technology, this air fryer can cook a full meal for your family in minutes. One of the standout features of the Kazori Air Fryer is its 9-in-1 versatility. It can air fry, roast, bake, cook frozen food, reheat, and keep food warm. The air fryer's 5-fan speed airflow system ensures that your food is cooked evenly and to perfection. The 6-quart capacity is spacious enough for family meals, while the compact design makes it easy to fit into any kitchen. Also, the air fryer uses up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying, allowing you to enjoy your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Overall, the Kazori Air Fryer is a must-have appliance for anyone who wants to cook healthy. Its versatility and compact design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Cheeseboard Set. This versatile cheeseboard set is a must-have for any host. Its spacious design, complete with grooves for crackers and ceramic dishes for dips and sauces, makes it easy to create a stunning and delicious spread. The included cheese knives are perfect for slicing and serving a variety of cheeses, while the snack tray with dip bowl adds an extra touch of elegance. Arrange an assortment of meats, cheeses, fruits, vegetables, and crackers to create a custom platter that will impress your guests. The board's sleek design and high-quality materials make it a beautiful addition to any kitchen. With this set, you can say goodbye to the stress of hosting and enjoy more time socializing with your loved ones. Let your guests help themselves to a variety of delicious appetizers and create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. The Chefman Electric Kettle. This electric kettle has a sleek design and multiple temperature settings. The kettle's rapid boil time means you can enjoy a hot cup of tea or coffee in no time. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning, while the auto shutoff feature offers peace of mind. One of the standout features is the temperature control, allowing you to brew different types of tea at their ideal temperatures. Overall, the Chefman Electric Kettle is a must-have for anyone who appreciates quality. Its combination of speed, versatility, and safety make it a standout appliance that will elevate your daily tea or coffee routine. Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer. The Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer is a versatile and efficient tool for any home cook. The 6 adjustable speed settings, along with the quick burst function, make it easy to tackle a variety of recipes from delicate batters to thick doughs. One of the standout features is the bowl rest, which securely stabilizes the mixer on the edge of the bowl, preventing messy spills and freeing up your hands. Powered by a 250-watt peak power motor, this mixer delivers ample power for even the most demanding tasks. Whether you're whipping up fluffy whipped cream or mixing in chunky ingredients, it handles it all with ease. The Hamilton Beach Hand Mixer is a reliable kitchen appliance that will make your baking and mixing experiences smoother and more enjoyable. The Multifunctional Basin. The last product is Multifunctional Basin. One of the standout features of this basin is its versatility. Whether you're washing dishes, prepping food, or chilling drinks, this basin can handle it all. The collapsible design also makes it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities where space is limited. The basin's double carry handles make it easy to transport, and the draining plug is a thoughtful touch that simplifies cleanup. The basin is also made from high-quality materials that are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Overall, this multifunctional basin is a must-have for anyone looking for a useful solution for their washing and storage needs.